to remove bookmarks on Twitter app. Hey everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can remove the bookmarks on your Twitter app. So to remove the bookmarks on your Twitter app, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go and open up your Twitter app here. So if you don't have the Twitter app, then you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to download the Twitter app. And after that, you have to log in to your account using your credential. So on the top left, there is a profile option here. So if you want to add a post to your bookmark, here you can see that beside the share icon, you can see the bookmarks. You have to go for that. Here you can see that post has been added to your bookmark, which is on the top. So after that, if you want to remove your bookmarks on your Twitter, you have to go for your top left profile icon, and here you can see the list of options, and you have to go for the bookmarks here. So to remove your bookmarks, you can't remove the all bookmarks at once. So here you have to remove one by one. So here you have to click on that bookmarks. So here you can refresh your feed. Then you can see that you have successfully removed the bookmarks from your Twitter. So also you can go for the on the top right, there is a clear all bookmarks. Go for that and clear. So here you can see that you have successfully cleared your bookmarks from your Twitter. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.